Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We're going to get into VILHELM Perfumery. I know I said that wrong. I tried, girl. Poets of Berlin. Okay. So if you're interested in, hearing my full thoughts, can you see it? There you go. Hear my full thoughts on this fragrance. Just keep watching. So you all know how we do around here. So versatility. Is this fragrance versatile? I don't think so. I'm going to have to say no. I mean, and again, if you disagree, cool. This is just my opinion and my experience, but I don't think this is versatile. And let's go to occasion. I honestly don't know where you would wear this. Maybe a picnic? Something outside. Like, it's giving me an event outside. It definitely doesn't give me like a formal event, like if you were going to a graduation. I'm not getting those vibes, but definitely something outside that is more casual, whatever that could be. Yeah, that's all I can see for the occasion. That's all I got. Now, packaging. I love the packaging. The packaging, I feel, is so... I do know this is a magnetic top. I do know that, but I do love the packaging. It is very yellow. No, I think it's, it just has it's smaller, like in sort of like width, maybe like a size or height. In height, that's the word. It's smaller. It's round, right? So I feel like it doesn't take as much space on your dresser or, in your wardrobe, wherever that would be. So I can vibe with the packaging. I have no problems with it. Now, pricing. So the pricing, I've seen this as low for a sample at $7 on Lucky Scent, but like for a full bottle, you're looking in about like $300.
No. I would, but here's the thing. The way my bank account is set up, the thing is...
So this is a pretty penny for this. So if you are looking for maybe a 300 bottle range, this would be in that price range. Now, do I think this leans more masculine or feminine? Honestly, I think this is very unisex, okay? It almost kind of gives me on my skin a little bit more masculine, but I do see where a woman could enjoy this and wear this. So that's why I'm thinking definitely a unisex type of fragrance. It's not pretty girl in pink. It gives a, I wouldn't say manly man vibe, but I could see a man wearing this. Now, launch. This fragrance was launched in 2018, so it's been around the world, okay? But needless to say, let's just get into the notes. So notes, we have blueberry, lemon, bamboo, orris, vanilla, and sandalwood, and vetiver, okay? So now that we got all those deets out the way, let me give you my full thoughts on this fragrance. Oh, I'm supposed to talk. Now, sis, if you know me, it wasn't my jam. You said it. You said it before I even said it. While I feel like the blueberry, the lemon, I was thinking totally, this is going to give me a fruity citrus or a dark fruit citrus type of fragrance. I'm like, oh man, and then it has some wood. I'm like, okay, it's just going to give me a different kind of vibe for this spring. So let me add it to the queue. Now, girl, I really think it's the bamboo and the orris that is throwing me off. So one, you have to like the woodiness of like a bamboo. Like, because I feel like this is absolutely bamboo. Now, a tip I would suggest not to solely rely on your love or like or dislike based on a tester strip, okay? Because on the tester strip, I don't like it at all. Like, there is no like, there is no little love, like love lost. It wasn't there, like non-existent. Don't like it at all on the tester, at all. Like, I'm not like nothing. I got nothing for you on the tester. But when I put it on my skin, I did see how women or a man could vibe or like it. This is just not my style of a fragrance. Like, you all know, I love, from this house, I love me down some mango skin, okay? And I just recently tried Sparkling Joe, I want to say it is. That's also a good one. So there are some great ones in this house, but Poets of Berlin, like, I don't even see where you were going. Like, Poets, like, was I supposed to be in the library? I don't know where I would wear this. I don't even, girl, this review is so hard. I tried to not do this. I tried to talk myself out of this. I don't know where to wear this. Like, if you love this fragrance out there in fragrance land, comment down below. Tell me, like, where have you worn this? Like, I was like, occasion. Girl, none. Not for me. Like, wearing it nowhere. I did put it on my skin, but it really leans into that bamboo and that wood. Like, if there is a blueberry note in the beginning, it's like overtaken by the woods and the lemon. Like, it's citrus and woods. So that's why I can see a man maybe enjoying this more, okay? I am going to test this out with my man, and I'm going to see if he vibes with this, right? And if he does, he can keep it. And if he don't, it's probably going away. I hate to toss a fragrance, but this would be, like, I wouldn't even declutter it for somebody to have this. Like, it just wouldn't be. Nah, I don't like it. Okay. Did I say I didn't like it? I didn't like it. Okay. But if you vibe with it, if you like it, if this is your jam, please don't be offended. Like, it works on your body. Again, you know, cut your skin so I can smell what you're smelling. You know, don't cut your skin. Don't do that. But I would like to love it, but yeah, it's a no for me. And then you got vetiver in it. So again, that wood, and then I'm thinking the vanilla's no. And then it turns, and then it starts giving me baby diaper effects. It just keeps going back, right? So I want to test it, because maybe my man on his skin, this might work. Yeah, he's truthful. So if it don't work, it's just not gonna work. But let me know your thoughts. I wouldn't suggest this for the queue. But if you test this out, maybe a colder season would give this a vibe. Yeah, okay. I can't make it cute. Okay, girl. No, I like it. Okay. Make sure that you let me know if you like it or not, or your vibes or your experience, because that's all your sis got. Okay, I tried. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.